Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll show you how to easily mount the stands on your Sharp TV. So first, all we need is a Phillips screwdriver. We have 4 screws right here and we have 2 stands. So I'll show you how to mount it perfectly. So first, let's take the right one. Here we have the indicator that is for the right side, and here we will have the indicator that is for the left side. So let's start off by the right side. Now we need to place it like that. And all we gotta do now is take screws, put them in here, and screw them with our Phillips screwdriver. And now we're moving on to the left side. So all we gotta do is place it like that. And here we need to mount those screws. So as you guys can see, everything here is mounted perfectly. Now we're moving on to the left side. Everything is good here. And now all we have to do is place the TV on its stands. So as you guys can see, the TV is standing perfectly on the table, and now that would be it. So if this tutorial was helpful, then please leave a comment, subscription and a like. See you next time.